Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Express Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You do have the silver grille up front as well. You do also have your halogen headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 20-inch rims with our Goodyear brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back, we do have a 6-foot box. Now back here, we do also have our dual exhaust pipes, and we can open this guy up just like this. Painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, looks fantastic. Lots of room to haul stuff. We have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You have your handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. Seats are very comfortable, very soft, like the cloth seats. Over here we do have the controls over the lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control right here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the temperature outside, we have the gear we're in, and how many kilometers we have, which is 18,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. Then in the center you do have your touchscreen display, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. You have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You also have your phone options, your compass, your settings, and your more there. Volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and browser there. Over here we got the controls over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our control over our climate. So we have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your traction you have your hazard lights, your heat and AC. You also have where it's going to blow out of there. Traction control right here, and tow and haul mode. A little bit of storage just in there. And in the center we do have 3 cup holders with our armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders there with your USB and aux cord plug-in. Close that up, lift this guy up, and you got some room just underneath there. It does hold 6 people all together. You do have your top layer for your glove box and your bottom layer right there. Let's take a look in here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have your handle, you have your control of your windows, and your handle here. Looks great in here. You can seat 3 people back here, as I said. You can also lift this up, and you got some storage just under there with some cup holders. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Express. If you want to come and take a close look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.